I work hard for my pay, and they take it away like they don't care. I got a family to feed.
Hey guys, so welcome to Frugal Friday. Today I've got 10 things under $10. Everything is under $10. And I've got a lot of great fragrance-free options. So when you take that into account, it's not always easy to find super affordable things if you want fragrance-free, but I found them. So the first product today, $2.69. You can't beat it. It's 5 ounces. It's the Smartly Gentle Facial Cleanser. The entire Smartly line of skincare products. They've got a few. They've got this. They've got cleansing wipes. They've got a moisturizer. They're all fragrance-free, very gentle. $2.69. You cannot beat that. So if you go through a lot of cleanser, it's worth investing in. Investing in your whole $2 in. For $4, next up I've got the Aquaphor Lip Balm. Really like this unscented lip balm. It's a great lip balm. I always use it at night. And I always like to keep a stick lip balm on my nightstand. And this is always one of them. Next up, we've got the Petroleum Jelly. 13 ounces, retails for $5 unless you're me and I spent $4 on it because I got the generic version. Because I saved a whole $1. Crazy. But it's got so many uses. It is worth having in your arsenal at home. Next up, I've went through the large container of it, and the largest container is 20 ounces, and it retails for $9.99. This is the smaller size, which I think is $7, but the Gold Bond Face and Body Moisturizer, it is wonderful. You can really, truly use this one on your face or body or neck or wherever, and it is just wonderful. No fragrance in it, lots of good ingredients, grapeseed oil, niacinamide, panthenol, ceramides. It is an affordable product that is just wonderful. Okay, another cleanser for $7.99 at 5 ounces. We've got the Derma Geek Gentle Facial Cleanser. I'm not exactly sure the Derma Geek brand because their BHA serum is like $20, which in my opinion is a little bit pricey. But this one is just really nicely priced at $8 for a face wash. So, I don't know. Very, very good product. So, I don't know. All the Derma Geek stuff might not be ridiculously affordable. It's all pretty affordable compared to other products. But their cleanser just is really nice and gentle. Okay, next up we've got the e.l.f. Pure Skin Toner for 5 ounces for $9. I also love the cleanser version, the moisturizer version of this. They're all really nice. The toner happened to be one of my favorites, although they've got 3 products. I love them all. The cleanser's good too, but the toner from this line is my favorite. Fragrance-free and gentle. Okay, next up, I guess I'll put it there. Okay, next up, another product from Aquaphor. This one is $9.99 for 7 ounces. I have the smaller size. It's their Cracked Healing Ointment. I like the smaller size because I typically don't use this over my entire body, but I do use this on the back of my hands a lot, especially at nighttime. So the largest size is going to be a little bit more expensive, but it's pretty darn affordable for a moisturizer, especially when you can use on your hands or wherever if your body's really dry. It has a good amount of petroleum in there, 41%, as well as some other nice ingredients. Next up, Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water with Vitamin C. I use a vitamin C derivative. This one is 13.5 ounces, retails for $7.99. They have all different versions. They've got this version, they've got a rose version, they've got their oily skin version. They've got a milky version, which is not as easy to get in the U.S., but the vitamin C version's nice. They use the sorboglucoside and no other really super exciting ingredients, but overall it's a nice micellar cleanser. And if you have some brightening you want to do, sorboglucoside isn't going to hurt. It's probably not as good as ascorbic acid, but it's still pretty good. Okay, next up we've got the Burt's Bees Gentle Facial Cleanser, 8 ounces, $9.99. I just noticed I have a little more cleansers on here than I do anything else, but I don't know. This one is fragrance-free. It's for gentle for sensitive skin types. Not all Burt's Bees products are very friendly for sensitive skin, but their gentle cleanser and their gentle moisturizer are both fragrance-free. Okay, next up, and last but not least, we've got the new CeraVe Hydrating Alcohol-Free Toner for normal to dry skin. 6.8 ounces, retails for $8.99. I think it's out of stock everywhere right now. from what I saw, but it's really nice toner. No fragrance in here, obviously no drying alcohols, and $9. We've got what? 2 toners, a micellar cleanser, water. So technically, we've kind of got 3 toners. We've got 3 cleansers, and then lip balms. I don't know why it ended up being like that, but they're all 10 products and they're all under $10. So, at first when a product says body and face, I'm instantly like, I'm not going to use it on my face. Because if it's good enough for my body, is it good enough for my face? I don't know. But this one truly is. And I really, really am enjoying the Gold Bond. They have a lot of good moisturizers. I think they're pretty cruelty-free as well. So, from what I recall. But I really do like their line, and they have a nice, really good hydrating moisturizer. If you look for the one for diabetics, it's really nicely hydrating. I should give that to a friend or relative of mine to use, but because I keep giving him all my moisturizers because of his dry skin from diabetes, which makes your skin very dry. So Gold Bond is worth checking out, especially if you have that issue. So anyway, these are all bargain products in my opinion, and they're all really good use. All fragrance free, great for sensitive skin. Most of these are pretty friendly for acne prone skin as well. So anyway, check these out, and I'll have a link to everything below. If you have a favorite product under $10, let us know what it is if I didn't mention it. So I love a good bargain. Anyway, thank you guys so much, and I will see you more tomorrow. Bye guys.